that is underground cove. The boat will enter that one, and then if we pass within 45 meters inside, that is a lagoon.
Wow, your
Close
English is
island.
good.
And then this is the islands inside. Of course, there are 3 activity inside. That is why you have to use this sign. This sign representing entrance, and then there are 3 activity inside. Snoring cove, cliff diving, and then jellyfish. Smile, please. Congratulations. Go ahead. Okay, so everybody sit properly. And now, this morning, no? Welcome to the side of Soton Cove. Everybody, clap your hand, please. Okay, actually, the whole show, so that is a marker, no? Remember, that is a marker. Because Soton Cove, remember, no other exit is only the entrance. So after we will explore the designated activity, we will come back again to the entrance. That is all we said. So we will exit if we cannot find out that one, it means we're losing this area. So if we lose this area, we will sing a song like from this. I gave you 1.5 to maximum 2 hours. Why? Ay ang Soton Cove accessible lamang soaring low tide.
Yeah.
Jelly's lang yan, sir.
Julius?
Oh, jelly's.
Kasi mo nang gidala.
Oh, you have to touch this one.
Yung mga helmet ko, dito ko na lang para hindi po tayo
I feel bad. Is it still alive?
Hi, Jelly.
Hi,
Yeah.
Kung saan pagsaka na mo,
Kami na yung bahala, ma'am.
Warm water.
at na ba kay ko, wala mo hagdanan?
Basta mo smile lang kayo.
Ay my God, basta smile lang.
Then, close your legs, and then everybody closer. Okay, that one. Oh my God, amazing.
Okay, picture. Video muna tayo, video. Oh, wag mo na.
There is also a rock climbing, and then the way you exit, we have a diving board to jump off to the water. I think the possible you have to wear your hard hat and also
Head down.
head down, please.
Come on.
Ben, ako na, Ben.
Sige. Okay, ready? Okay, broom. Down your head, down.
Down your head, please.
Head down.
Say hi sa video, ha, guys. Welcome to my home.
Okay, guys, welcome to my home. Okay. Okay, let's go inside, please. Oh my God, guys. Welcome to my home.
Gotta go home.
Welcome to my vlog.
Say hi, mom.
40 days video.
Wow.
40 days.
Grabe. There is a rocks.
Left.
Left. And then again, eyes on here, please. Okay, you have to proceed, ma'am. That one. Okay, stand up, please. And then again. 3, 2, 1, go! Hep, hep! my God. Starting here, say hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Oh, next.
Hi. Very good.
Okay, next.
Hello.
Sir. Hi. Okay, next.
Hello!
Oh my God.
I love you!
Oh, see. Grabe naman. Okay.
Pwede naman natin, dito na natin gawin yung train.
Okay.
Okay na bitaw ka, Neng? Okay.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Kanay sa dagat.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Have some rice ate to have energy. Shadow pa daw.
Leave me alone. I didn't even get anything. Okay.